Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 18th of April. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to inaugurate Global Buddhist Summit in Delhi to be held on April 22-21. Steering panel on Indus Water Treaty met to assess modification process. Apple CEO Tim Cook said to plan meeting with PM Modi amid India expansion plans. Center to report on regulation of social media streaming platform content. Tripura government schools shut till April 23 due to heat wave. 3.7 magnitude earthquake hit Assam, no casualty reported. Supreme Court refused to halt work on Delhi Metro Phase 4, cites cost rise. Curfew in 25 Uttarakhand villages after tiger killed 2 men in a week. Supreme Court notice to Delhi Lieutenant Governor over teachers training in Finland. Indian French Rafale jets to fly together as Orion military exercise begin. Now international news. Rishi Sunak's plan to make maths compulsory in UK schools has an Indian inclination. Nawaz Sharif to return to Pakistan, supervise party's campaign minister. Sudan's army hit paramilitary bases with airstrike in power struggle. US warship sailed through Taiwan Strait following China war games. Ties already entered a new era. China minister on relations with Russia. Now some sports news. BCCI waived off Rs 78.90 crore from 2018 to 23 media rights deal with Star. Biographies of 4 sportsmen, including Milkha Singh, now in class 9, 10 textbooks, Punjab minister. Sassuolo stun Juventus Roma in race for second place. IPL 2023 Royal Challengers Bangalore Chennai Super Kings rivalry in numbers. There will never be a captain like MS Dhoni, Sunil Gavaskar. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty halt 9-day rally. Infosys closed 9% down. Rupee declined 25 paise to close at 82.10 against US dollar. Fab India appointed Rajeshwari Srinivasan as its new CEO. Apple's India sales hit $6 billion as Tim Cook starts retail push. Wholesale inflation fell to 1.34% in March, lowest in 30 months. Gazprom Bank deepened links with Indian banks to facilitate bilateral trade. News from Science and Technology. Elon Musk, SpaceX set to launch its new Starship rocket to space in uncrewed test flight. Plants may scream out loud when stressed. A study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.